Welcome to the Ethix Water Conditioner Quick and Easy Installation Guide. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing the Delta Series Ethix Water Conditioner, a simple and efficient way to tackle hard water problems. Before you begin, make sure you have all the required parts and tools ready. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Attach both PVC flanges securely. Step 2. Connect the flanges to the PVC pipe, ensuring a firm and leak-free fit. Step 3. Now, attach the flanges to the frequency part. Step 4. Next, connect both cylinders to the frequency part, making sure they are properly aligned and tightened. Step 5. Attach the PVC flanges to both the inlet and outlet cylinders. Step 6. Place the panel box in the frequency section and position it properly for easy access. Step 7. Connect the frequency cable to the panel box. Step 8. Now, connect the outlet cylinder cable to the panel box. Step 9. Carefully connect the main power supply cable. Step 10. Finally, open the oil cap on the outlet cylinder and add transformer oil as per IS 335 standards. And that's it. Congratulations! Your Ethix water conditioner is now successfully installed and ready to condition your water, ensuring a better and healthier water supply for your home. Important tip: to prevent damage and ensure long-lasting performance, make sure your Ethix water conditioner is well protected from sun, rain, and dust. For the best results, use a sturdy cover or install the unit in a sheltered area to keep it safe and running efficiently. For any assistance or further queries, feel free to contact our support team. Thanks for choosing Ethix Water Conditioner.